So we begin our carpentry class from the foundation up. We actually do the site planning, and students get to actually do the outside framework, set up the batter boards. We do that out in the grass in the beginning of the year. We use laser transits. So it's the real feel of real industry. So we build 2 homes from start to finish. So it's laying the foundation, squaring up the building, and then from there we put the floor trusses together. The students get to build walls, kind of 2 different styles of walls. So one of our homes we've been fortunate enough to build for Habitat. And then the other home this year we're actually gonna auction that off in the CTE home, we call it. We finish that 100%. And the students get to see the cabinets, the flooring, the tile, and everything done to that. That's something that I tell the students, it's probably my most rewarding part too, is you start with a pile of studs and you stand back and you can see what it turns into. It's so rewarding. And when these homes are moved on site, we'd like to let the students know where they go, and they have the opportunity to see a family living in there. It's just a great feeling.
People, I mean, I get to meet new people in different schools, get to build non-stop every day for an hour and a half. It's like days where you don't want to stop working. Those are the best days. So
coming in here in middle school, taking a tour, seeing all these houses, and from the start I just knew I really wanted to do it, get hands-on, because I love hands-on projects.
I feel like I've gained a lot of more general knowledge, because at some point everyone's going to own a house, so you know a lot more things like how to fix things, what to expect, what you're looking at when you're a homeowner.
As the students mature and develop into better carpenters throughout the program, I'd like to encourage them to look at attention to detail. From the beginning, there's nothing in the shop here in August, and by May, we have 2 homes that are completed. It's very rewarding class.
So I'll be going to construction management, SDI, right down the road here. And I mean, taking these courses, it's really just wanted me to go into construction management because it's fun, and I just love building. And if you do consider building future down the road, I'd recommend this course 100%. Every time I come in here, I have a good time. It's always a good experience. I'm learning everything every single day. So